In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use member sites on Squarespace. We'll start right from your Squarespace dashboard. Log into your account, then head into your site by choosing Website on the left. Once you're in the site editor, open the Pages panel. Here, look for the Not Linked section and click the plus icon. Not Linked is ideal for content you don't want in your main navigation, which makes it perfect for member-only areas while you build. From the options, choose Member Site. Squarespace will prompt you to pick a layout for the member homepage. Select a layout that suits your content style, whether that's a simple hero and features or a layout with sections for lessons or announcements. Give your member site a clear descriptive name so visitors immediately understand what they'll find, and confirm to create it. You'll now see a new member sites area in the Pages panel. Open it and click Add Page to build out the private content. You can add events if you want a calendar, RSVPs, or session listings. Course if you're organizing lessons, modules, and resources, or scheduling to let members book time with you. Choose the option that best matches your offering today. Remember, you can expand later as your community grows. Next, set how people get access. Open the pricing plan section for your member site and select Create Pricing Plan. You can make it free, set a one-time fixed amount, or offer a recurring subscription. Pick the model that aligns with your content and audience. Use clear plan names and straightforward descriptions, and keep the number of plans simple to reduce choice fatigue. You can always refine pricing and benefits as you learn what members value most. If your membership includes downloads, you can also add digital products so members receive files like PDFs, templates, or media as part of their access. This is a great way to bundle value without overwhelming your pages. Return to your member homepage, add or edit a pricing or sign up block, and link it directly to the plan you just created. That link ensures your join or buy buttons trigger the correct checkout or registration flow. From a visitor's perspective, the experience is seamless. When they sign up or purchase a plan, Squarespace prompts them to create an account. After completing registration or checkout, their account automatically unlocks your member-only pages, and they can return anytime to access content. Before sharing, preview the member pages, test your join buttons, and confirm everything lives within the member sites section for tidy organization. That's the core workflow for using member sites on Squarespace. Simple to set up, powerful for growing your community.